Welcome to the tutorial on setting up the AirHub platform with the DJI Pilot 2 app. This setup allows you to synchronize your telemetry and live stream to the drone operation center. You can use this setup together with the AirHub timer workflow. But more on that later. Let's first dive into how to set up the connection. So let's begin by opening the DJI Pilot app on the controller. Make sure the drone is started and connected to the controller. If everything is turned on, press the Cloud Service button. Then press Open Platforms. Enter the URL dji.airhub.app and then press Connect. Now you will be directed to the login screen where you can log in with your AirHub user credentials. Once logged in, you'll see a page with your account credentials, the workspace you're in, information about the drone and controller, and the status of the live stream. Here, you have the option to choose the workspace for the mission you are about to undertake. That covers the setup process for the DJI Pilot 2 app. You're now ready to exit this screen and return to the home screen of the Pilot 2 app. Once there, you'll notice that the DJI Pilot 2 app is successfully connected to the AirHub platform. Now you're ready to use the Pilot 2 app with the AirHub timer workflow. If you want to know more about the AirHub timer workflow, then check out the tutorial on how to use AirHub timer workflow with the DJI Pilot 2 app.